Welcome back to our podcast. If you are listening right now, we are really happy you are here with us today. Whether you are relaxing at home, driving to work, studying English, or maybe walking around a supermarket right now, welcome.
Yes, welcome everyone. Take a moment to get comfortable, relax, and enjoy today's conversation. Our goal is to help you improve your English while also enjoying real, natural discussions about everyday life.
Exactly. And before we start today's topic, we want to warm up a little and invite you to join the conversation.
Yes, because this podcast is not just us talking, we also want you to think about the questions we ask.
And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can even answer the questions in the comments.
We love reading your comments because listeners come from many different countries.
Yes, sometimes people write from the United States, Germany, France, Brazil, Japan, India, and many other places.
It's amazing to see people all around the world learning English together.
So here's our first question for everyone listening today.
Think about this. How often do you go to the supermarket?
Maybe once a week?
Maybe every few days.
Or maybe every day if you like buying fresh food.
Write your answer in the comments later. We're really curious.
All right, now let's talk about today's topic, the supermarket.
The supermarket might sound like a simple place, but actually many funny and interesting things happen there.
Yes, supermarkets are full of small stories.
Funny stories, awkward moments, and sometimes embarrassing situations.
Speaking of embarrassing moments, I actually have a story.
Oh no, this sounds interesting already.
A few months ago, I went to the supermarket after work. I was very tired and not paying much attention.
That already sounds dangerous.
I picked up several items: vegetables, bread, yogurt, and a big watermelon.
Watermelons are heavy.
Yes, and when I reached the checkout counter, I tried to place the watermelon on the counter.
Let me guess, something went wrong.
Yes, the watermelon slipped from my hands.
Oh no.
It fell on the floor and rolled away across the supermarket.
That must have been embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. I had to chase the watermelon.
That's actually a very funny image.
Even the cashier was laughing.
Well, at least everyone enjoyed the moment.
Eventually, I caught the watermelon and brought it back.
Did it survive?
Yes, luckily it didn't break.
That's good.
But I felt very embarrassed.
Don't worry, everyone has embarrassing supermarket stories.
Do you have one?
Yes, and it's also about the checkout line.
Now I'm curious.
One time I finished shopping and went to pay for my items.
Okay.
When the cashier told me the price, I reached into my pocket.
And?
My wallet wasn't there.
Oh no.
I checked all my pockets.
Nothing?
Nothing.
That's the worst moment.
Yes, and there were 5 people waiting behind me in line.
That must have been stressful.
Very stressful. I had to say, I'm sorry, I forgot my wallet.
What happened then?
I had to leave the items there and go back to my car.
Did you find your wallet?
Yes, it was in the car. Yes, when I came back, the cashier said, "Welcome back."
At least they remembered you.
Yes, but I felt very embarrassed.
Supermarkets are full of these little moments.
Another funny situation happens when people shop while they are hungry.
That's a big mistake.
Yes, when you're hungry, everything looks delicious.
Everything.
Cookies, chips, chocolate, ice cream.
Foods you didn't even plan to buy.
Exactly.
So here's our first tip for listeners today.
Yes, an important supermarket tip.
Try not to go grocery shopping when you are very hungry.
Because you will probably buy too many snacks.
Another helpful tip is to make a shopping list.
Shopping lists are very useful.
Before you go to the supermarket, write down the things you really need.
This helps you stay organized.
And it saves money too, because you won't buy too many unnecessary things.
Another funny supermarket experience is the shopping cart with the broken wheel.
Oh, yes.
You try to push it straight.
But it moves sideways.
You feel like you're driving a strange vehicle.
And everyone can see you struggling.
Another interesting place in the supermarket is the self-checkout machine.
Technology can be helpful, but sometimes confusing.
One time, the machine kept saying, "Please place the item in the bagging area."
Even though you already placed it there?
Yes. Eventually, an employee had to come and help me.
That happens to many people.
Now, before we finish today's episode, let's quickly review the main ideas from our conversation.
Yes, a short summary.
First, supermarkets are part of everyday life.
But even ordinary places can create funny and memorable moments.
Second, everyone experiences embarrassing situations sometimes.
Like dropping a watermelon or forgetting a wallet.
And that's okay. These moments often become funny stories later.
Third, there are a few simple tips that can make shopping easier.
For example, make a shopping list.
And try not to shop when you are very hungry.
Those tips can save money and reduce stress,
Finally, remember that learning English can happen anywhere.
even during everyday activities like shopping.
Before we finish, here's our final question for you.
What is the funniest or most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you at a supermarket?
Tell us your story in the comments.
We would love to read it.
And it's also a great way to practice English.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for listening to today's conversation.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English expressions.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And we'll see you again in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Happy shopping!